Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can repair LED lamps. Okay, everyone has LED lamps inside their home. It will broken. You can open your LEDs like this. It is dim, it is not full, it's not working with full brightness. Okay, let's check it. Very dim, like this. You can see it is dim, it's not working well. So how you can find the problem, I will show you now. You must have a tweezer like this, but be careful because this is 220. You should not be electrocuted. So how you can find what is the problem with this LED? Okay, like this. For example, I take this tweezer with the plastic because of electricity. Test like this. Yeah, it is off, but not in full. Yeah, this one, no, when it is off, it means it is shorted. You should short the LED. Yes, now this one. Yes, this one. Okay, see, this is the problem. So now let's desolder the LEDs LED and change it with the new one. Take out like this. Which one was the bad one? This one. So how you can desolder? Okay, with the lighter, very easy. Don't keep the flame too much near the LEDs. Okay, should be 1 cm far from the board. Just wait, it will melt. Now it is melted like this, very easy. Okay guys, so now let's change it with the new one. Put it here. Okay, now let's check. Oh, check the new LED. This one. This is 3 volt. If you turn on this it will be 3 volt. No, it's not. It's not 3 volt. So maybe it's broken. Let me check again. It's broken. It's not good. Let's check this one. Is it 3 volt or 5 volt? Oh, it's plus is there. Yeah, this one is 3 volt. Yeah, this one is 3 volt. We need 5 volt. We need 5 volt. This is not the one which I want. Let's check this one. The big plate, this one it is minus. The small one it is plus. Yeah, it does not turn on with the 3 volt, so it is 5 volt, because I had two kinds of LEDs. I had 3 volts and 5 volts, so it is 5 volt. Let's replace it. On the board you can see this is the minus sign here. This side is minus, and this side is plus, minus, plus. And the LEDs, the big plate, this one, it is minus. The small one, it is plus. Should be like this. Put it on the center like this. Then when it is melted, the LEDs will move. The LED will move. Now you can see it is melted. Okay, like this. Now put the board in here to cool down. When the board is hot, don't check, because when it is hot you check, the LEDs will burn again because it is hot. Let it cool down. Should wait for a few minutes. Yes, it is cooled down. This is the new LED which I just replaced. Put the board back. Guys, when you your lamp inside your house is broken, don't throw it, okay? Don't throw it to the rubbish. Keep them, and then you can change the good LED with the bad LEDs, okay? Now let's test it. Yes, it's very bright, very good. You can see it is repaired. 6 LEDs are working great now. Very nice. Very nice. Okay guys, thanks for your watching. Please don't forget like and subscribe. Until the next video, bye bye.